Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off search privacy on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings. Now click privacy and data, and here as you see you'll find it, search privacy. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off, and that's how to turn off search privacy on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick, and that is for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.